Good evening, all, and a warm welcome to GG Ahmedabad's first anniversary session. It's after a long break, we are giving a session again under the title of GG Ahmedabad, but soon we'll be having some regular sessions from it. So, just to say that the journey started on 4th of October 2020, and today we are all about to see how it went and how did we work. We all are part of this journey. Many more are part of this journey, and many more we are missing today for this session. But I'm sure that they would be joining us sooner or later, and probably if not, then they would be seeing the recording as well. So let's start with this session. I'll just go with the presentation basically. So first of all, many thanks for all of you who have joined today in today's session. Yeah, it's all started with Reshma and me joining hands together. Reshma leading the way, starting the GGs all around. So first was GG Pune, then was GG Ahmedabad, 4th September, 4th October. So this is how it all started. These are some of the numbers. GG Ahmedabad, around 1,700 members, 52 plus trainings, 743 subscribers of YouTube channel. We conducted 3 boot camps, 2 for level 1 and 1 for level 2. We have over 23,000 views for the videos that we have uploaded for the YouTube. More than 100 plus mentors. 100 plus mentor means all those who are present in today's session are all the mentors for this GG Ahmedabad, because we are somewhere, we have connected the sessions in any of those videos, any of the training sessions that we have been connected by GG Ahmedabad. So many members are there, but very few of them are the mentors with GG Ahmedabad. So probably around in 100 numbers we are having. It's just a vague number that I've just put up. These are some of the video analytics. I've just searched the YouTube analytics and just surfed it away. We have a video on Math Whiteboard, Reshma and me connecting, and there was Mr. Donald, and we have 2,672 views. Then we conducted one Google Tools workshop, Google Tools training workshop, in which there was a session on MS Excel for educators. Yeah, that was conducted by Rohit Srivastav, and that we have is 2,548 views. And this Google Tools training that we conducted late, for Google Drive, advanced and basics and advanced of Google Drive, we got 1,157 views. Similarly, for Sheets, we have got 948 views. So these are some of the top videos that are being listed with GG Ahmedabad YouTube channel. Just a screenshot of the analytics. If you just see the tips and tricks of using MS Excel for educators, these are the number of views we have. And these are the total number of hours that have been watched over the YouTube online. Similarly, for the Math Whiteboard, you see the analytics. Then all about Google certifications, though it has got only 895 views, but the number of hours it has been viewed is more. Google Tools Training, Google Docs, again 172.9. So it is in the chronological or in the ascending order of the number of hours that has been viewed. So it's just a simple screenshot I've taken from the video analytics. And for all these videos, I'm really thankful to all the contributors that have made these things possible, without which these kind of statistics or analytics would not be possible. As a GG Ahmedabad community, I've got people joining us now. So as a GG Ahmedabad community, we have, I would say that we have 1,742 members already within the Google group. So all the sessions that we conducted, that people wish to join GG Ahmedabad. So these are the numbers of actual members who have filled in the membership form of GG Ahmedabad and are members with us and are together with us in the Google group. 1,742 members. We have YouTube subscribers 768, 361 Twitter followers. We are still learning in Twitter. I'm just lagging behind in regular posts for Twitter. Facebook 519 followers, 423 likes. This is for the page. Whereas for the Facebook group, we have 188 members. We have 3 WhatsApp groups, and total 627 educators connected through these 3 WhatsApp groups of GG Ahmedabad. Journey so far, I think that's the portion of I would be thankful to Ritika ma'am for developing this video. Ritika ma'am, would you be kind enough to just say something for this?
First of all, many congratulations, sir. And it's been a beautiful journey, 1 year. So when I was making the video, I could actually see the hard work that you people have put in, and it was really beautiful to see and compile all of it.
Great. So let us see the video. Right? Thank you, Ritika ma'am, for this wonderful video compilation. I'm a little greedy to watch it again. For those who have just joined, it's just a matter of few seconds. Please bear with me. Thank you once again, ma'am. It's really a nice compilation. Yeah. So we have an activity now. I think Dipti ma'am is there to guide us for this activity. Dipti ma'am, all your turn. If you wish to share the screen from your side, you are free to share.
Yes, sir. So
I'll stop presenting.
oh, okay, sir.
Just like Ritika ma'am, Dipti ma'am has, I think, developed some game sort of a thing. It will be for us for interaction.
सर दीप्ति मैम से रिक्वेस्ट करिए, साथ साथ में बोलती जाइए, बोलती बहुत प्यारा है, हम लोग को बड़ा मजा आता है।
ओके, नहीं मेरी स्क्रीन विजिबल है ना?
यस बिल्कुल।
ओके 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 ओके। सो हम यहाँ पे इकट्ठा हुए हैं बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, ठीक है? और मेरे पास गेम है और यहाँ पे सारे है ना सब जीनियस है, ठीक है? सबके पास से मैंने कुछ सीखा है, तो फिर अभी क्या है ना कि थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा लिए, तो उसके बाद का क्विज है। अभी मुझे कोई दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, सो मैं जस्ट आपको पूछती हूँ, आपको कहाँ से जाना है? क्विजेस में जाना है या स्पिन व्हील में जाना है?
स्पिन व्हील।
ओके, स्पिन व्हील में जाना है। ओके, कोई बात नहीं, चलो स्पिन व्हील। मैं लिंक कॉपी करके पेस्ट करती हूँ। पायल मैम, आप पेस्ट कर दोगे?
यस मैम।
ओके,
तो दीप्ति मैम, यू विल स्पिन द व्हील कि हम लोग स्पिन करेंगे?
एज यू विश, आप स्पिन करो, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
आई थिंक
सब स्पिन करने लगेंगे तो फिर क्या होगा?
हाँ, आप स्पिन करो, हम लोग आंसर देंगे।
हाँ,
सब लोग स्पिन करेंगे तो आप कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछोगे, कोई आंसर नहीं मिलेगा, सब अपने आप क्वेश्चन करेंगे, सब अपना आंसर लिखेंगे।
अरे मैं कब से बैठा हुआ, लिंक शेयर करो।
पायल मैम लिंक शेयर,
मैडम लिंक शेयर नहीं करनी है, आप ही कराओ ना, अच्छा
ओके 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 ओके। चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट। ओके, 1 2 3 स्टार्ट।
दीप्ति मैम म्यूजिक नहीं डाला?
म्यूजिक तो है,
फिर आप
नहीं,
टैब शेयर करो, आप
headphones।
सिर्फ ये वाला टैब शेयर करो, उससे आएगा।
अच्छा, हम लोग
Okay,
को आंसर
first question
चैट में
is-
देना है।
हाँ, चैट में देना है। पायल मैम आप देना, मुझे कुछ चैट दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। तो
Yes,
फर्स्ट
yes,
क्वेश्चन इज
yes, yes,
what is
ma'am, I am
interactive
with you.
board?
Yes, I
Okay,
am
what
with
is
you.
interactive board? Which tool we called interactive board?
I think
I'm
next
raising
one
hand.
I
I'm
will
raising
first
hand.
answer, that
Yeah,
is the
that's one.
Jamboard.
Don't
I am
don't
already
raise
saying
don't
Suddenly
raise your
answers.
hand.
Wait.
Just type it or speak it.
We are getting the answers as Jamboard.
Oh, okay. Now second.
ये नीचे का हाइड वाला और ये शो ऑल हटा दो।
Okay sir.
हाँ, हाइड और ये राइट साइड से शो ऑल वाला भी ना। हाँ,
A guide who makes us travel.
A guide who makes us travel around the world by sitting at one place.
Google Earth.
Ma'am, there is a two
Oh,
answer,
yeah.
Google Map and Google Earth.
Google Earth.
Correct. Very good.
Google Earth is the right answer.
गूगल अर्थ। आज
Okay,
हम लोग का
शाबाश,
रीसर्टिफिकेशन होने वाला है।
शाबाश. Okay.
Yeah.
Now next.
हमें लिखना है, बोलना है आंसर।
कुछ भी करो सर. Fastest speaker first.
ओके।
बच्चों की तरह हम तो कर रहे हैं, ना बोल रहे हैं।
चलो. Having fear with numbers and calculation just like me. This tool makes calculation like a cakewalk. मुझे नंबर और कैलकुलेशन सपोर्ट कर
शीट्स।
मैंने टाइप कर लिया था पहले।
शाबाश, ब्रावो। सारे जीनियस है।
जीनियस के साथ रहे हैं तो फिर जीनियस ही होंगे।
Yes, excellent answer.
नाउ गाइड टूल, ये क्या है? दो जने हैं,
ये कुछ और आ गया।
बाजू में बैठे हैं।
Google
ये
Group।
दोनों कौन है?
गूगल ग्रुप।
ग्रुप
Google
गूगल ग्रुप।
Yes, Google
I said
Group.
answer
Vishali
first.
is right, the first answer.
ये तो कुछ
I
और दिख रहा
said
है।
the first answer.
करेक्ट, वेरी
अमित सर
करेक्ट।
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
मेरे
अमित
screen
सर
पे
आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं।
हाँ, हो गया शायद, इस बार तो कंफ्यूज हो गया। थोड़ा ध्यान से।
Can create and edit events.
Calendar.
Reminder, set to do list. Calendar, correct. Very good. इसका तो बहुत
Vishali, you
बढ़िया।
are wrong.
गूगल टास्क भी करता है, टास्क भी
task.
करता है।
टास्क में इवेंट क्रिएट नहीं कर सके ना?
अच्छा क्रिएट, हाँ।
अरे दीप्ति
नाइस
सेम
नाइस।
पेरेंट्स के लिए बहुत इवेंट क्रिएट की है, एचओडी के लिए बहुत इवेंट क्रिएट की है, फ्रेंच डिपार्टमेंट के लिए इवेंट क्रिएट की है। पता है कितने इवेंट क्रिएट किए? पूरा कैलेंडर भर गया इवेंट से। नेक्स्ट। You can compare this tool a Facebook page where you can share your work publicly and people can comment on it.
YouTube।
ब्लॉग।
ब्लॉगर।
ब्लॉगर।
एक्चुअली गूगल प्लस था लेकिन अभी वो है नहीं।
नहीं अभी नहीं, थोड़ा और आगे सोचो। लाइक अ फेसबुक पेज।
करंट्स
स्ट्रीम क्लास वर्क का स्ट्रीम क्लास।
अरे नहीं बाबा, वो नहीं है।
YouTube।
थोड़ा और सोचो, थोड़ा सारे के सारे टूल बोल जाओ ना, सारे के सारे टूल।
YouTube।
नो,
Google site.
Bloggers होना चाहिए।
गूगल साइट।
But how can people comment on it?
नहीं, साइट्स पे कमेंट नहीं हो सकता।
Comment
Comment
नहीं हो
कैसे
ना।
आएगा?
नहीं कर सकते।
ब्लॉगर पे
तो
होता है।
यहाँ पे जिसने टेस्ट निकाली है ना, वो थोड़े
Confuse हो गए।
हाँ।
एडवांस है। वो कमेंट वाली वेबसाइट बनाएंगे।
ब्लॉगर है इसका
तो
आंसर।
इस क्वेश्चन के लिए सबको 10 पॉइंट मिलेंगे, ठीक है? जिसने जो जवाब दिया,
ये आंसर अमित सर ही बता सकते हैं क्योंकि उनके ब्लॉग
जिसने जो
पढ़िए।
जवाब दिया सबको 10 पॉइंट। ये आ जाएगा, ये बहुत सिंपल है। Unlike the traditional school classroom, it doesn't need a school room.
गूगल क्लास।
अरे बहुत इजी था। शाबाश।
दीप्ति मैम, रिमूव योर हेडफोन्स तो थोड़ा म्यूजिक भी वी कैन हियर।
नहीं, मैंने
ईमेल
दीप्ति मैम आप ना एक ये पर्टिकुलर टैब शेयर करो, पूरी स्क्रीन नहीं, फिर म्यूजिक भी आएगा।
अच्छा, okay. For using any Google
Abhi,
tool,
you
you
can
must
leave
have
it.
an
Gmail account. Gmail account.
correct an account of Gmail. Correct.
अरे हम लोग दीप्ति मैम को बताते रह गए, हमारा क्वेश्चन मिस हो गया।
Focus,
Right,
focus
right,
करो
right,
मैम,
right.
focus.
आपको वैसे ही 10 मार्क्स दे दिए।
रेशमा वी नीड टू फोकस।
हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स ही ऐसे हैं ना, राइट? आज तो हम बच्चे बन गए हैं जी अहमदाबाद के।
हम तो पहले से हैं। A small second से you can see of Google Drive. Google Drive की छोटी बहन कौन हो सकता है?
Keep.
करेक्ट, शाबाश। कौन बोला? मुझे दिखाई नहीं दिया।
Harpreet.
ग्रेट
कैमरा ऑन करो भाई, कैमरा ऑन करो।
Keep, वो छोटी बहन है ड्राइव की। मैंने
Keep
वो
your
रिलेशन
camera on.
निकाला है।
सही है, सही है।
That is a good relation.
Yeah,
Yeah, but I never thought of it that way.
a tricky one. Yeah, it was a nice question.
You can find persons like you and can solve all queries with expert opinions. कौन से टूल में मिलेंगे ये लोग?
ग्रुप्स होते हैं।
करेक्ट, शाबाश। 3 ताली का मार।
सुबह हो गई।
Formerly
Meet.
known as Hangout Meet.
Chat.
Meet.
Meet.
Google Meet.
Google Meet.
Meet. Correct. देखा, सारे जीनियस है। कितने पढ़ाकू बच्चे हैं हमने।
सब विशाल सर के बचे हैं ना।
वही तो मैंने बोला पहले ही।
विशाल सर को इसमें से कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है।
A talking singing book with marvelous
Slides.
features for presentation.
Slides. Google Slides.
Correct. ये
Good,
हरप्रीत
good.
मैम ने बहुत अच्छे से सिखाई थी। काफी सारे नए अभी चलो 2 ही बाकी है।
और साइट्स भी बहुत अच्छा सिखाती हैं हरप्रीत मैम स्पेशली।
हाँ,
Thank you.
Yeah.
yes.
Identify the
Yesterday,
symbol.
अभी वीडियो ऑन हो
her
गया।
session was
Chat.
really wonderful.
चैट, गूगल चैट।
Yes.
Google Chat, correct.
ये तो क्वेश्चन से पहले ही पता था, इस आइकन को देखकर हमें व्हील घूम
चलो
रहा था।
एक ही बचा है।
फिर भी स्पिन करेगा।
अरे
A sip without base, you can sip
Drive.
out tremendous
Drive.
things.
Drive.
Drive, correct. Very good, very good. चलो सारे अच्छे नंबर से पास हो गए हो सब। Congratulations.
मैम क्वेश्चंस बहुत अच्छे फ्रेम थे, डेफिनेशन
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So what
Now-
we have next in line now?
पायल मैम
Yeah.
अंताक्षरी
Payal ma'am is having another activity. So Payal ma'am will
Yes,
share
I
the screen.
think sir that is a kind of बहुत स्टडी वगैरह हो गया है। और
हाँ,
हम कुछ मस्ती
एग्जाम
वगैरह
खत्म।
करते हैं।
एग्जाम
हाँ।
खत्म हो गए।
And end of the session, first time end यहाँ पे हो रहा है। बिल्कुल।
सर
Let's party.
स्क्रीनशॉट ले रहे हैं ना, स्क्रीनशॉट बीच में।
नहीं, मैं तो नहीं ले रहा हूँ सर, ये तो पूरा रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है।
अच्छा चलो ठीक है ना।
Okay, so I
Yeah,
just
please share
shared
the
my screen.
Yeah.
स्क्रीनशॉट भी लेकिन अच्छे रहेगा हैशटैग के लिए।
Okay.
That's a good
Hashtag
thing.
के लिए।
वो तो सर रिप्ले कर करके भी ले लेंगे बीच बीच में, जहाँ सर
क्या
अच्छे
बात,
लगेंगे।
क्या बात।
बढ़िया।
Okay, so let's play अंताक्षरी, Bollywood अंताक्षरी हम लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। So see the picture and identify the song.
देख
मुझे आता है।
अब तो ये सिलसिले हो गए।
कभी
No,
कभी
no,
कभी
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 मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है।
कभी
Yes,
कभी टाइटल
yes,
सॉन्ग,
the right answer
कभी
is a
कभी title
कभी
song.
मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है।
यस
कभी कभी टाइटल सॉन्ग।
अरे नहीं, जो बताएगा वो गाएगा भी।
Yeah, that's a good, nice thing.
मतलब मीटिंग अभी
Very
खत्म करनी है कि अगर मैं जाऊंगी तो मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगी, कैसी बात है।
I am leaving.
Okay, okay. Let's see the picture and identify the song. Yes, Hawaii.
भिड़े की जैसे बोल सकते हैं ना, हमारे जमाने के।
हमारे
हमारे जमाने के, yes. I think I just cover all the generations.
Payal, we need not talk about generations with women. Come on.
हंसते हंसते कट जाए रास्ते हंसते हंसते कट जाए रास्ते
That was nice, huh, Payal?
हंसते कट जाए रास्ते. The right answer is हंसते हंसते कट जाए रास्ते.
खून भरी मांग मूवी का नाम.
बहुत अच्छा था.
Okay, this is the latest one. Guess the movie. I just play the song.
शेरशाह राता लंबिया
Yes, it's a Raat Lumbia and the movie is the Sahensa.
शेरशाह.
Sorry, it's not a
अब
Sahensa.
मुझे जनरेशन गैप पता चल रहा है.
मैडम ऐसा होता है ना कि अभी बच्चे गाते हैं ना तो वो सुन सुन के याद रह जाता है कि ये हाँ ये सुन रहे.
चलो, identify the song by translate in Hindi.
मेरे सामने वाली
में चांद सा टुकड़ा रहता है.
Very well done.
That is a good picture, right?
गाई ने बताओ, रश्मि बहन गाई ने बताओ.
मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में चांद सा टुकड़ा रहता है जब देखती हो
अफसोस है वो
कि वो हमसे कुछ
उखड़ा रहता है.
ये फोटो किसकी है? मतलब थिंकिंग ऑफ यू कौन सोच रहा है?
सामने वाली खिड़की में
आपके सामने वाली खिड़की में.
Okay, I just played this song and identify the song.
पहला नशा
ये हमारे
पहला नशा पहला खुमार.
I will share an incident about this song. When this released, we were in class, say 10th, maybe 9th, 8th, I don't remember. So me, Reshma and Archana, three of us were there. I don't know if Reshma remembers or not. We went to the library and there was this poster. वहाँ poster था आमिर खान का और we were going crazy over him. So we just tore off that
I
poster.
remember, yeah. I was Salman Khan fan, तो मैं नहीं होंगी तुम्हारे साथ.
हमने वो पेपर फाड़ा, पकड़े भी गए और सिस्टर से हम लोग को बहुत कुछ हुआ, लेकिन हमने वो पोस्टर दिया नहीं किसी को. डांट खाली, लेकिन पोस्टर नहीं बताया कहाँ रखा है हम लोग.
So इसको जीनियस बोलते हैं.
Okay, identify the song.
मेरा जूता है मेरा जूता है.
Yes, very good. मेरा जूता. I think I just आशीष सर प्लीज जाके बताओ ना. आशीष सर. प्लीज जाके बताओ ना अमित सर.
मेरा जूता है जापानी और पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे
टोपी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
Thank you sir. Thank you.
वैसे उस जमाने में टोपी लाल नहीं दिखती थी, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट ही दिखता था. फिर भी कलरफुल था.
Okay, identify the movie.
All is well.
Okay, once again identify the song.
चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को.
Oh my God.
वृषाली जाके सुनाइए.
अरे बाप रे. चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को मेरे हस्बैंड बैठ के हंस रहे कि तू कैसा गाती है, मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगी अभी.
वृषाली टीचर डोंट वरी, यहाँ पे सब बाथरूम सिंगर है. Okay, I just play the tune.
हमारे जमाने का मतलब स्कूल वाले.
चाहे तुझको
गाओ रश्मि बहन.
लैला ओ लैला ऐसी तू लैला, हर कोई चाहे तुझसे मिलना.
wonderful.
Yeah.
बहुत
Hindi
बहुत
the
अच्छा
party,
था
Hindi the
ये.
party.
Very
Very
nice.
good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Pal ma'am.
Yeah, and I would like to mention Slides Mania for this beautiful slide,
Yes.
interactive
Yes.
slide.
Yes.
Paula is doing wonderful job. Yeah.
Yeah.
अच्छा रेशमा, जब हम लोगों ने पहली बार इसमें अंताक्षरी में यू नो, तो आई वाज रियली फैसिनेटेड कि ये कैसे होता है यार, है ना? नाउ तो
Yeah,
things
it
are
was no, exactly.
fascinating.
Like at that time, I didn't know linking the slides
Yeah,
to each
I did
other.
not know it and I was like,
Yeah.
ये कैसे हो रहा है यार? ये बड़ा मजेदार है.
True. Lot of things we learned over the past
हाँ.
1 year.
So continuing with the presentation over here, we have our Padlet wall. Let us see the Padlet wall. This is developed by Mukul ma'am. I would just request Mukul ma'am, please, would you just share your screen and show us the Padlet wall? Are you there, Mukul ma'am?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Congratulations, everyone, and what a wonderful game! Means very nicely prepared, both the quizzes and the Antakshari.
Digital virtual world now.
Thank you.
I will share
First
my
time
screen.
playing something virtually.
Yeah.
Actually, after so many days.
So let us see what we have for the Padlet. So thanks to Mukul ma'am for creating the Padlet link and collecting the wishes. Oh,
We have wonderful
Brilliant.
wishes here from
Beautiful.
wishes are there.
great.
सर दिवाली के पहले आपकी वॉल चकाचौंध हो गई, दिवाली
हाँ।
के रंग
वैसे ना दिवाली से पहले फटाके फूट गए।
हाँ,
हाँ.
दिवाली अच्छी तरह से सेलिब्रेट हो गई, मतलब पहले ही पार्टी वार्टी और सब।
बिल्कुल। We have Mr. Wyden as well. Oh, thank you. That's Reshma, I suppose. Yes. Great. So, many wishes. I really am thankful to all these people who have, all the mentors, educators, and members who have just, spared their valuable time for sharing these warm wishes for GG Ahmedabad for this journey of 1 year. So this is basically the charm of it, and we are all together in this journey, and it's really happy to read out these things. I think there are plenty of wishes. I think it won't be possible for us to read all of them.
मेरी वाली आ गई सामने स्क्रीन पे।
I'll just do one thing. I'll just share the Padlet link with all of you. In the chat box, so that everybody can see it. आप लोगों ने ही शेयर किया है, आप लोगों ने विशेष दिए हैं यहाँ पे। Obviously,
I like this children वाला, ये बहुत ही अच्छा है, मतलब the picture which is there, the GIF, Namrata Kande.
Great. So again, a very warm thank you to all those who have spared the time for this wonderful wishes. Myself from GG Ahmedabad, I'm really thankful for all these wonderful wishes that you shared with us on the Padlet.
Sir, happy birthday and congratulations. I did not want to disturb in the between of that game, इसलिए मैंने बीच में नहीं बोला.
This is all for all of us. This is for all of us. We all are connected with GG Ahmedabad, and
Yes.
whenever a session happens in Ahmedabad, GG Ahmedabad, we all are together. So these are the wishes for all of us, basically.
True.
And without which this would not have been possible. Great. So fine, let us proceed further, shall we?
Yes.
Sure, sir.
Okay. I'll just see what is in the next slide. Okay, I'll just present my screen. Okay. So this we have already seen. Thank you, Mukul ma'am, for creating this wonderful Padlet link and collecting the wishes. We have next is something from Mukta ma'am. Mukta ma'am, would you be kind enough to share what you want to share with us?
Yes, my journey started with Vesha ma'am and Vishal sir together last year. Yes, GG Pune and then Ahmedabad, and learned a lot definitely. And Vishal sir's, I want to say that Vishal sir's dedication and every time his direction to put ignition in all of us. So that's what I wrote here. Your dedication and direction has put fire in all of us. You have inspired us to do best to reach our goals. My journey started with just joining in GG Ahmedabad, and then Vishal sir gave me the title of Inspire Captain for GG Ahmedabad, and then I participated in the boot camp last session. So boot camp 1,
Yes,
and
yes,
then
yes.
now with their like help, support, and guidance, I am Google Educator level 1, and now GG Ghaziabad Litter. And for every time, like when I was giving my exam, so or I filled up the form, every time, like I used to think sometimes कि अच्छा मैं इतना छोटा सा क्वेश्चन सर से पूछूं, but when I stuck up, I send a message, and every time at that same time I got the reply that no, do it this way, do it in that way. So thanks, sir, for all your valuable time and guidance and support you have given to me and to all of us. Yes, and congratulations. Yes, definitely, it's a birthday for all our GG
All of us,
leaders
yes.
and mentors.
Yes,
Because our
yes, yes.
journey started with this, and congratulations, many more success and years to go come in the future. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a ton for your lovely wishes and recognition and acknowledgement. It means a lot. And yes, we all are together in this journey, and we have all been, inspiring each other to work in a way that makes our work look more enriched and more creative. So thank you for your lovely words and inspiring.
Just one more to add on. It happened now, like from past few months, that whenever I'm in school or stuck up in any of the technical glitch or something, so my co-teachers and my even my principal is having now the habit. You post it in your group, you will get the message. You will get
Great,
the
great.
reply. मतलब अब उनको भी ये चीज हो गई है. You post it in your group, you'll get the reply.
Yes, yes.
So that is the beauty of it, and yes.
Yeah. Yeah, this is basically this is the theme of GG. This is the theme of GG. Whether whatever GG it may be, whether it is GG Pune, Ghaziabad, Ahmedabad, or any GG it may be. This is the theme of GG, that we help educators, we help each other. So this is the concept, and I think somewhere we are working in that direction, so that we just help each other in a way.
हाँ बस अभी अभी आ रहे
So we move on to the next slide now. And the next slide we have Panna ma'am's wishes. Okay, yes, Panna ma'am, can we have your?
Yes, sir. Firstly, I would like to congratulate all of the people who are associated with GG Ahmedabad, and especially Vishal sir, to you for completing one whole year with great success. And of course, if I would say similarly, like Mukta ma'am, I joined GG Ahmedabad and then got connected with GG Pune, and Vishal sir and Reshma ma'am always had supported for each, even a small thing, like कुछ भी मुझे problem आ गया, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, सोच रही हूँ, if I'm in a dilemma also कि भी मैं क्या करूँ, ये करूँ नहीं करूँ, इसका क्या होगा, immediately I reach up to any one of you, or immediately मुझे reply responses मिल जाते हैं, and thanks a lot for that. And I think it wouldn't have been possible to reach here where I am today. आज मतलब I am now towards my GCT trainer application completed, about to complete. I feel कि hopefully कि हो जाएगा मेरा ये भी. But then I became GG leader with all your support and success, and now towards the trainership. So it was impossible without you all. So I have written something which was there in my heart. So I still remember the day when I got connected with you at GG Ahmedabad session, which ignited the passion and empower others like yours. And your inspiration and motivation, which is effortless, wouldn't have been possible for me to reach here. So thank you once again. Thanks, Atan sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for your wonderful wishes. And
सर लास्ट थिंग, मतलब अभी ऐसा हो गया है कि मुझे कुछ भी ऐसा टेक्निकल भी कुछ इशू आ रहा है, ऐसा कुछ है तो ऐसे दिमाग में ख्याल तुरंत आपका आ जाता है कि नहीं चलो विशाल सर को पूछ लेते हैं. वो ऐसे इंसान है कि कभी भी जवाब दे देंगे. कभी कभी रेशमा मैम को थोड़ा ऐसे उनको भी मतलब वही तुरंत जवाब आ जाता है, लेकिन सोच में पड़ जाता है कि उनका रात होगी तो विल शी गेट डिस्टर्ब. लेकिन आपके साथ वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्योंकि हमारा एक ही टाइम जोन है. सो दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस. अदरवाइज hats off to you and Reshma ma'am both.
मैं एक बात शेयर करूं?
Yes, sure.
जब हमें स्कूल में बोला गया था कि आपको स्लाइड गूगल फॉर्म डॉक ये सब आना चाहिए. फिर सर ने बोला था कि आप करो. मुझे याद है हम जब करते थे ना 12:30 बजे सर को व्हाट्सएप करते थे कि सर ये कैसे होता है, और सर तुरंत ही जवाब दे देते थे ओके ये ऐसे करो ऐसे हो जाएगा. तो थैंक यू सो मच सर.
थैंक यू.
रात को 12:30 बजे, दोपहर को नहीं, वहां पे
I would confess that thing because वो लॉकडाउन वाला पीरियड था, हरदम रेस्ट ही रहता था, तो रात को सोना नहीं आता. You were not sleeping, wake up too late. So it was a time of lockdown and there was no such much activities during the day. We don't get tired.
And the last thing, one last thing, yes, sir. Yes. Since it is with Ahmedabad, so मैं गुजराती में आज बोलना चाहूंगी कि તમારો સપોર્ટ અને સાથ જે અમને અત્યાર સુધી મળ્યો છે તે સદાય અમારી જોડે રાખજો. બસ એવી જ ઈચ્છા છે તમારી જોડે, અને તમારે ખૂબ પ્રગતિ મળે ને ખૂબ સક્સેસ મળે.
We all are together, and thank you very much for your lovely words and your blessings for this. And this is again, I would say that this is not possible without everyone's support and cooperation. It's fine that we are there to help, but help can only be reached if someone is ready to accept it. So again, I would acknowledge your own willingness to upgrade and learn something new out of your passion and creativity. So it's equally compatible, it's equally on both the sides, that we are ready to share something and you are ready to receive something. It's only then these things are possible. So it is on both ways. So thank you for being so curious and inquisitive and asking questions and queries, and always eager to develop and grow. So thank you once again for your lovely wishes, ma'am. And let us proceed ahead on the slide now. Okay, so here we have an announcement. GG Ahmedabad is now growing, and we have got new team members with us. Dipti Vyas and Payal ma'am is joining GG Ahmedabad as co-leaders. So congratulations Dipti ma'am and Payal ma'am for getting on board with GG Ahmedabad.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Congratulations. Thank you. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
And this is the start of the, you can say, expansion or the growth concept, where GG Ahmedabad will become more collaborative, more cooperative, and more competent. We wish to be more effective in the micro level. We wish to be present more into the regional level, and we wish to influence the teachers. We wish to connect with the teachers at the local level, so that these technological aspects get also benefited in the rural areas as well. Google has made certain things freely available, and this technology, if it reaches to that area where it is required, it will be very helpful to them. So with this aspect, these two mentors are joining us as co-leaders, Dipti ma'am and Payal ma'am, and I'm pretty sure that with their competitiveness and eagerness, we will be doing some very good programs in GG Ahmedabad. So welcome Payal ma'am.
Amen.
Great.
Sir, I did not have a chance to write anything on the slides, but yeah, I reciprocate the feelings which others have been putting in, and me too. All those thanks and all those gratitude for being there. You, of course, and Reshma, both of you all being there whenever we wanted you to be. Whenever, I mean, we did not have to hesitate even for a second to approach any of you guys. रेशमा तो दिन रात का भी मेरा कोई फर्क नहीं था, मैं उसको डाल देती थी मैसेज, जब तेरी आंख खुलेगी देख ली, and just respond back. And thank you so much for being there. And whenever I had something to discuss and to talk, you always said that, ma'am, you are very hardworking. Keep pushing yourself like that. So I think those few words and those encouragements, small encouragements, were a long way in the journey that I began with both of you all. So yeah, thank you so much, and
Thank you,
many
ma'am. Thank you.
congratulations. And you are very inspiring. You are
We
really
are equally
inspiring.
glad to have such eminent educators with us, and we are equally happy to be with such a group that is cooperative and collaborative. जो हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, ज्योत से ज्योत जला के चलो. So this is exactly the concept that we are doing right now, and I'm so glad that all the members who are present here are part of it. We are just doing the same thing. So hats off to the spirit. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, Dipti ma'am.
सर एक पर्सनल बात शेयर करनी है. मेरे घर में टेक्नोलॉजी में मेरे हस्बैंड 1 to 10 नंबर पे आते हैं. ठीक है, पहले जब ये फील्ड में नहीं थी तो वो मुझे बोलते थे ये एक्सेल सीख लो, ये वर्ड सीख लो. ये मैं बोलती थी मुझे सीख के क्या करना है. ओके, फिर ये गूगल हुआ, और फिर जब भी मैं बोलूं उनको कि चलो मुझे सिखाओ, मैंने तुम्हें बोला था, ठीक है, ऐसा हर बार मुझे सुनने को मिलता. सिखा देते थे कि ऐसे करो हो जाता है. फिर नया लैपटॉप आया और वहां पे एक 3D पेंट करके लैपटॉप में इनबिल्ट ऐसे टूल है, और ये सब गूगल का सब चल रहा था, स्लाइड आ गई थी ये सब. तो वो हमारे घर में रिनोवेशन हो रहा था, तो सीलिंग पे एक डिजाइन है रेक्टेंगल के अंदर रेक्टेंगल, ठीक है, और वो ड्रॉ कर रहे थे, और उनको जो डायमेंशन है ना वो रेक्टेंगल आ नहीं रहा था, उनको जो चाहिए था. और जैसे मैं बोलने जाऊं ना तो ऐसे हो जाता, मैं कर रहा हूं ना, ऐसा जब मैं कर, फिर उनसे नहीं हुआ. फिर वो क्या करते थे ना, दोनों साइड से खींचते थे, फिर उनको वो पता नहीं कुछ और हो जाता था वो जो डायमेंशन. फिर मैंने धीरे से बोला इसको डायगोनली ड्रैग करो, आपको वो डायमेंशन मिलेगा. और वो उनको चाहिए था, वो मिला, और उनके चेहरे पर जो बिवाइल्डरमेंट था ना, और थोड़ी थोड़ी हंसी थी कि अब इसको भी आता है. माँ कसम मुझे ऐसा लगा प्रेसिडेंट अवार्ड मुझे मिल गया, गोल्ड वाला. इतनी खुशी कि मैंने उनको कुछ सिखाया.
These small moments of being confident, I think, कि अब मुझे भी कुछ आता है. So important.
मैं उनकी तरह फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे तो नहीं हूँ, मगर हाँ 5th पे आ गई कि चलो उनको अभी भी ज्यादा ही आता है. मुझे शीट में तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, तो वो मुझे हेल्प करते हैं, तो मगर मुझे बहुत खुशी हो गई.
आपका जो रिएक्शन था लास्ट वाला बहुत अच्छा था.
नहीं, खुशी होती है ना, किसी अपने से ऊपर वाले को कुछ सिखाओ, और वो भी हस्बैंड को सिखाओ जो जीनियस है.
That was quite personal anyway. Great to learn this. Yeah. So let us move ahead in the slides now. Yeah, we have another announcement here to make is we will be conducting a regional workshop on Google Tools training. We had conducted a Google Tools training in English or Hindi as well a few moments back or few months back. And now we are planning that Diwali time hai, thoda vacation bhi hoga teachers ko abhi. So we are planning to start a session for regional language, that's for Gujarati, from 15 November. So all those mentors who are from Gujarat will be seeking their cooperation and collaboration, and we'll be launching this particular workshop very shortly. Maybe before Diwali or during Diwali we shall be launching. We'll be collecting the registrations for this, and we shall be conducting the sessions for it. So this is another event that we're going to take up with GEG Ahmedabad very soon, before the schools reopen post Diwali. So this is something I wanted to share with you all. 2 announcements we make here. We welcome the new co-leaders, and with the help of the new co-leaders and with the new team, with the new leadership, we are going to start with these regional workshops. So again, the concept is that we would wish to penetrate into the regional areas and we wish to connect with the regional teachers more with this concept of regional workshop. So this is just a concept right now, and we shall be soon be declaring this regional workshop in Gujarati language. So that is one thing.
Also, sir, also if I can add,
Yes, yes.
me also with GEG Punjab, Harpreet there also with
Yes.
Punjab, and All India Educator Forum.
Yes.
Collectively, we are going to start a lot of workshops, not only of Google, but any workshop, anything in Punjabi language, and we shall be doing that very often. So if you have any teacher who who would love to join these Punjabi sessions, you are more than welcome to forward my number to them. I will be more than
Definitely.
happy to accommodate.
Definitely. Yeah, so then this is the concept basically. See, we have had most of the sessions which is available pan India,
Yep.
maybe even to a global extent. But sometimes now it's a time that we need to focus on the regional areas where we can get along with the teachers who are working in the regional medium, and who can then pass on this technology to the students, and there can be growth over there. So this is the next step that I think all GEGs should be aiming at, and this is what we are aiming at in GEG Ahmedabad. Right. So continuing with this, another thing, obviously there needs to be acknowledgement, without which it's not possible. So I'm really thankful to Reshma for igniting the lamp of GEG. I still remember that one exchange of email, that one WhatsApp voice call that we had, and we just started the concept. Yes, GEG to karna hi hai. ऐसा करके हम दोनों ने स्टार्ट किया, and she was nominated for GEG Pune. GEG Pune स्टार्ट किया. जब GEG Pune स्टार्ट किया, there was no such concept in the mind that GEG Ahmedabad होगा या गुजरात होगा, ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं. We just wanted to start GEG something, and पुणे मिल रहा था तो पुणे से start करो. That was the concept. Then slowly, gradually, we just worked it out, and with the help of the global leaders, and Reshma did support all these activities of GEG. So thanks, Reshma, for being there for all of us.
Here, because you mentioned me, I would first actually would like to say a genuine thank to a person who I had never met. आज तक नहीं मिले हैं. But when we say what GEG is like connecting with the like-minded people. So that is what it just clicked. हम लोग दूसरे forum पे we exchanged emails, and the support that, because for me it was offshore, but I really wanted to do something back in India, but connections was a big problem, because though I had a lot of connections, but like I said, I spoke to a lot of my friends, लेकिन ये connection नहीं हो रहा था कि somebody was ready to support from there. And that is what I found with Dr. Vishal. So first हमने जो meeting की, and उसी में the enthusiasm, the readiness to do, like even I just had thoughts in my mind जो यहाँ पे मैंने देखा था, and I said that I have to do something for the educators in India. तो ये कैसे करे? इसमें the support that he gave me in the beginning, I didn't have the recording feature also. So he said, let's start the sessions. I'll record it. Don't worry. And we started it like that. I remember the first session that we did on Google Drive. Like we started with basic, very, very basic. So the support with creating groups, the support with anytime support, like you all said. Even I text Dr. Vishal anytime कि ये plan है, what do you think? And we exchange thoughts कि क्या करना चाहिए. We do a couple of meetings बीच में monthly, and the readiness to try out new things, the readiness to connect, and instant help is, I am really thankful for being able to connect. मेरे घर में तो everybody now knows Dr. Vishal, even my husband, and that बहुत दिन से बीच में we, like Dr. Vishal was busy, and he's also saying बहुत दिन से Dr. Vishal का कुछ नाम नहीं सुना. So like everybody knows that we work together a lot. But thank you so much. I'm sure you have been inspiring your teachers, and all the teachers who are working with Dr. Vishal. I think you are very lucky to have a mentor like him.
Yes.
Thank you. That means a lot, Reshma. That means a lot. Thank you, and thank you for igniting this lamp for the GEG for India. And yes, this was much needed step, and rightly taken at the right time. So thanks again. Needless to mention, I'm thankful to Sangeeta ma'am for inspiring and leading the way. Sangeeta ma'am, I just came to know about Sangeeta ma'am through Reshma herself, and by having the session on slides. Reshma, we just had a session on Google Slides where you called up Sangeeta ma'am and she just connected the session.
Yes.
So from there, I
Yeah.
was really inspired the way she conducted the session, the way her lucid flow of conducting the session, and she was so calm and composed while sharing all those things, and so neatly she completed the session.
A lot to learn from her,
Yeah.
that how the trainer has to be. Yeah.
Exactly.
Very inspiring.
So again, I'm thankful to her for it. At times I would just click it that yes, this is how it needs to be done. So again, thankful to her for that. And yes, the fellow mentors, we can't forget all those fellow mentors, Dr. Narjeet, yes, Sanchita ma'am, Mukul ma'am, Ritika ma'am, Nayan sir, Mukta ma'am, and all those mentors with us. There are many members who are not continuing with. There was Murtaza, there was Devraj, there were many mentors जिसके साथ हमने first boot camp किया था. So with this first boot camp, this all became more popular. This all became more popular. So is not the right word, but it became more effective, you can say. So thank you for all the fellow mentors who are there with us. It's a count of hundreds, so we cannot have all the names all together. But yes, all the mentors are to be thanked for this. And yes, the support from Global GG that we received, Stephanie Rothstein, Abid, Becky, Bonnie, Leslie, Stacy, Stephanie Howell, etc. All those leaders from Global GG supported very well, not only by sharing their expertise with us in GG Ahmedabad, but also inviting us to and giving us a platform on Global GG to share something that we learn and we know. So it was a really nice experience to be with Global GG and to be a part of the Global GG community. And
and talking from the global side, I would really like and I would really request amazing educators. You're all amazing educators. Use the Global GEG platform to give your presentations. So it is same. There is no difference. All educators are same. All learners are same. So use that platform just like you do our local platforms, because it's a very good way to connect with educators around the world, their way of teaching, and we learn a lot from each other. They learn from us, we learn from them. So use that platform and to expand your horizons. Like, don't keep it limited to a smaller area, but to know more people. And there is no commitment, there is nothing. Like, whenever you are free, you're available, you do the session.
Yes. So yes, again, we are thankful to those global leaders and leaders of Global GG. With this, Reshma has supported many of us to be a part of the Global GG community, and it's really worth learning from them and also sharing with them. Not needless to mention, we are all thankful to the fellow educators and the members of the GG Ahmedabad community. Not many members join in. Even see, every single person is counted. Every single person counts. कोई भी क्यूरियोसिटी है, उसको कोई भी डाउट है, उसने जीजी अहमदाबाद को चुना, जीजी अहमदाबाद से जुड़े और वहां से उसने सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट किया. सो दैट गिव्स अस एन इंस्पिरेशन कि हम किसी को काम आ सके. So that is an inspiration we got, and this is how this GG community is growing. And really thankful to all the educators who have joined, whether it is in personal interest or institutional interest or interest for developing or growth or professional development, whatever it may be. And this is really, we're thankful to all the educators who are connected with the GG Ahmedabad community. So thanks to all of them. And many more. We cannot say, it cannot be limited. We have to thank Google, we have to thank Google India, we have to thank all those technological people who shared with us. I'm also not to forget, Google trainers community, where we get a lot of perquisites, where we learn from a lot of applications and all those things. So many more things, we learn from there as well. So without whose support and cooperation, GG Ahmedabad would not have made it this far. So obviously, thanks to one and all for this journey. We are all together. So please stay connected and keep showering your blessings in form of cooperation and collaboration. So this is a humble request from me as a GG leader, as a GG Ahmedabad leader, that let us stay connected and let us continue the same way that we have worked past 1 year. So it's an acknowledgement, and I think we are at the last slide. A very big thank you to one and all who joined today for this session and made this evening such a memorable evening. So thank you one and all for this wonderful session, for joining and spending your time with us, spending your expertise with us. Thanks to Payal ma'am, Dipti ma'am for having such creative presentations. Mukul ma'am and Ritika ma'am for again contributing to development. Reshma, without whose idea and concept we would not be even having this kind of a session. So thank you one and all for this session. I will be just stop sharing my screen, and then we can have a small chat before we end it up. So this is all about GG Ahmedabad. 1 year, that's more than 365 days. Number of hours, number of minutes I've already shared with you in the chat or in the WhatsApp. And yes, with more than 1,700 members, more than 52 trainings, more than 5,000 certificates already delivered. So this would not have been possible without this amazing group that we have and these amazing mentors that we have with us today. And each one of you that is present today have played a very good part by being a mentor, by being a contributor, by spreading the word, by sharing the content of having a session somewhere. So really, everything is counted in this. So thank you once again for being with GG Ahmedabad, and please be there. Let us continue this journey further. Let there be many more years to continue. Let there be many more achievements to be covered up. So thank you once again for all these work you have been doing for us, as well as for all of us. Yes. And now you're all open to any discussion that we can have before we conclude.
So yeah, just one addition that I would like to make, as Reshma said, that you should please go and present with Global One, because when I did, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे सबको सब कुछ वहां पर आता होएगा यार, मैं क्या ही बताऊंगी. But when I did, Vishal sir was there moderating that session. There were a few things which they kept asking, okay, ma'am, how to go about this or how to do this, can we do this? And when we solved, तो मेरे को बड़ा ही confidence आया कि okay, yeah, it is Chris asking me and I know it, and he's so that kind of a confidence also gives you a lot of boost. It gives you a lot of confidence that yeah, they are not know-all. We also know a lot of things better than them, so we are going to make more presentations with them. So
Narjit, to be honest, Chris for you is a foreigner, but Narjit for them is a foreigner. So they are learning from
true,
foreigner also. So
and ma'am, we Indians are जुगाड़ू, कहीं से भी कुछ भी करके सीख लेंगे और सबको सिखाएंगे. So वो अपने आप आ जाता है कि नहीं, ये ऐसे नहीं तो ऐसे तो होगा ही होगा. तो वो एक मेंटालिटी इंडियंस में होती है.
It is you know what, it is same everywhere. हम जुगाड़ बोलते हैं. They call it as DIY, do it yourself.
They are very smart. They are very smart. They are very smart, but
you know
but they know how to
I really
acknowledge.
Appreciate, I really appreciate. That is what Narjit said. Acknowledging other people, appreciating them, supporting them. We really, as educators, we need to learn these skills, because within a community, and I'm not blaming any education system, but having a power to ourselves and not letting others grow is something that is detrimental to our whole education system.
Yes.
So you have to let others grow. You have to support them in their growth, and that is exactly the Google Educator Group is, to bringing them together where they can learn without any hesitation. So you message anybody around, agar wo person, if he is ready to help you, he will immediately tell you. And that is all our system. I will say I have worked at both the systems. The knowledge that we have is uncomparable. हम लोग को जितना base हमारा strong है, the things that we know and we can handle, but the way these people work is what we need to learn.
Yes. Yes.
The support that they give you, they help you grow, they answer all your questions, and without any hesitation. The only thing is that acknowledge other people's effort. Yeah,
they do. Acknowledgement is something that we must all learn from them, and we are not empowered if we cannot empower others.
True.
Absolutely.
Very rightly said, ma'am.
So please, ये कि मेरे को आता है, और अगर हम लोग यही बोले कि मेरे पास ये एक ट्रेनर का डिग्री है, 4-5 लोगों के इंडिया के पास है, उसके बाद बियॉन्ड हमने अपनी कम्युनिटी जाने ही नहीं दे रही, this is very, very wrong. Please support, and this is what we all are. This is what teachers are for: learning, hand holding, sharing, empowering and moving forward. That's what teachers, define
Yeah, and we are in a
themselves.
very noble profession. And I think that noble profession, we should not take it to degrees. Otherwise,
Yes.
मैं और विशाल
Yes.
sir थे, we were two trainers. बहुत अच्छा हो जाता, right, Vishal sir? But that was not the intention. The
Yeah.
intention was to grow that community, to help others grow along with you. So, जैसे अमित sir का blogs, I will like to mention. Any math educator, I also go and see his blogs. तो अगर वो blogs अपने पास ही रखते and he would have not shared it with people, there is so much of knowledge that the person has and he's just sharing it openly.
Yeah. Sharing is caring, as you would always say.
As
Yeah.
sir always hashtags say, sharing is caring.
Yes.
And another thing, you meet your old friends after 20-25 years.
We never fail to mention that any platform that we meet,
Yeah.
we will
We have
never
to,
fail
and
to
this is the
mention
connection
that.
we have made. Yeah.
Hashtag sharing is caring.
Whoever said, perfect.
Sorry.
Great. So that's all for, I think, today's session. Thank you for sparing your time for GG Ahmedabad and making this party wonderful and creative and enjoyable. Your participation is something which make this event more enjoyable and memorable. So thank you for being there with us. Oh, yes, we have Deepali. Deepali, welcome. But we are concluding the session right now.
Hey Deepali, hey.
Oh, I just woke up.
Oh,
Sorry.
But see,
Glad
get up,
you
wake up,
joined.
and join the session.
Yeah, glad you joined it. Yes,
Yeah.
we missed you. That's great. That's great.
Oh, Imtiaz sir is also here now.
Yeah, me and
He's been-
Imtiaz, we are having great time in that
The same
academy.
happened.
Innovator?
I was.
we are killing it in the innovator.
Very nice. We will be learning from you. What is
Yes,
an
yes.
innovator?
But Imtiaz, I must say, the kind of knowledge and the kind of insights that he shares is awesome. Really, I'm really learning a lot from him.
And sorry to interrupt, and that all has been given by these two people.
Absolutely.
Seated there, Dr. Vishal and Reshma ma'am. Yeah, of
So
course,
I'm keeping my fingers
quite
crossed.
true.
Yeah, I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Ki probably me and Vishal sir are destined to meet at a in-person innovator, right?
Yes. Awaiting the moment.
Ma'am,
Yes,
so
right.
2022 will be boot camp innovator.
Innovator, we cannot
live-
have a
we
boot
have a
camp
lined up.
probably, right? Innovator, but these innovators can be our guide next time.
Exactly.
They will be our mentors.
That'll be our mentors. True. Great.
Sadaji, kya hal chal?
Yeah,
having fun
you know, I
helping
have
GG
to tell you
Ahmedabad
and
1 year.
thank you all that he started his own. He's developed his own web page using Google Sites.
Great.
Oh, wow.
Share it with you, and he's opened a membership form. He knows how to connect it, so he's opened it to his friends in class. And he says, I'm going to teach you tools, how to make Kahoots. So it'll be bi-monthly plan, a weekend plan. So all motivation. So teacher ka beta.
Also, you can
That's
be co-teachers.
Oh, we can be
Great.
co-teachers.
Oh wow! How cute.
I will like to
So
be
it's
your
all
student
thanks
actually.
to you. My house is all techno good. Techno savvy, I think.
Technoblade.
Okay, techno.
Very nice.
I don't know this.
Okay, so I think Diwali preparations must be on at everybody's
yeah.
place.
Yes. So let us conclude this session. Thank you one and all for joining this session. And yes, I shall be posting this recording into the YouTube channel and then shall be sharing with the group. So thank you once again. And Dipti
Once
ma'am
again,
and Payal
a
ma'am,
big
welcome. And we're
congratulations.
here to have some more creative sessions being rolling out by GG Ahmedabad with new leadership. in
Sure,
the
sir.
team. Yes. Okay then.
Okay.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Wish you happy Diwali in advance.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy
Happy
Diwali.
Diwali.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you.